Hey guys, in this video we're going to continue our conversation about horizontal and vertical lines, which we call HOI and VUX. So real quick, let's review what HOI and VUX stand for. Horizontal is what the H stands for in HOI. The O in the middle is actually more like a 0. That means that the slope of the line that you have is 0. And the Y helps you remember that when you write the equation of a horizontal line, it's always Y equals a number. Now, VUX is sort of similar in that the V stands for vertical this time. U means that the slope is undefined. And the X is just a reminder that the equation of a vertical line is always X equals a number. So when you're going through and doing these types of problems, you want to remember HOI and VUX. That's something you want to get in your brain so that it gives you a little bit of a shortcut when you're doing these. All right, number 1 says, write the equation of the line that has a slope of 0 and passes through -4, -1. The key words here are slope of 0. HOI is the one that has slope of 0, so I know that my equation is going to be Y equals, and it's going to be Y equals a number. And it's always going to be the number that matches the letter you use for the equation. Now remember, an ordered pair is always X comma Y. So I want the Y value, which in this case is -1, so my equation is just Y equals -1. All right, we'll just go across here. That's number 3. Write the equation of the line that has an undefined slope and passes through 5, -3. Now, undefined means VUX. So it's going to be X equals, and again, this is XY. Since it's X equals, I'm going to want this 5 here, so X equals 5. Same idea. Number 2 says M equals 0. Now remember, M is just your slope. So since my slope is 0, that means HOI. Okay, so I'm going to have Y equals, and the Y value of the point is -2. So my equation is Y equals -2. I'll go back and write the HOI and VUX in for these last two so you can remember when you look back. All right, slope undefined. Again, M means slope. The undefined tells me that this is a VUX. So that means my equation is going to be X equals, and the X value is -6. So my equation is X equals -6. 2 more. Again, slope is 0. That tells me this is a HOI. So it's going to be Y equals, and the Y value is -3. So it's Y equals -3. Last one, undefined tells me it's a VUX. So it's going to be X equals, and the X value is -2. So my equation is X equals -2. And that's it. So when you decide if it's HOI or VUX, you need to remember whether it's Y equals or X equals, and then make sure you use the right number from the point. If you have an equation that starts with Y equals, you're going to want to use the Y value of the point. If you have an equation that starts with X equals, you're going to want to use the X value of your ordered pair.